Hey there, I'm Mike with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can I roll a 401A into a 403B? Let's dive in and break it down. The short answer is yes, you can roll a 401A into a 403B, but there are some specific rules and considerations to keep in mind. Both 401A and 403B are employer-sponsored retirement plans, and the IRS does allow for rollovers between certain types of qualified retirement plans, including these two. However, as always, we need to look further into the details. First, let's talk about eligibility. Not all 403B plans accept rollovers, so it's important to confirm whether your 403B allows incoming rollovers from a 401A. Similarly, your 401A plan may have specific requirements, like vesting rules or restrictions on when you can roll funds over. These plan-specific details can make a big difference, so you'll need to check the rules for both plans before taking the next step. Next, let's discuss tax implications. If your 401A contributions were made on a pre-tax basis, and your 403B is also a traditional pre-tax account, the rollover would be tax-deferred. That means you won't owe taxes on the rollover, and your funds will continue to grow tax-deferred. On the other hand, if your 401A has after-tax contributions, those funds will need to go into an appropriate after-tax account, like a Roth 403B if available. If not handled correctly, you could face tax consequences, so consulting a financial professional is always a good idea to ensure everything is done properly. Lastly, let's talk about timing and fees. Some plans charge fees for rollovers, so it's essential to evaluate any associated costs and weigh them against the benefits of consolidating your accounts. At the same time, take a close look at the investment options available in your 403B. Are they aligned with your retirement goals? If the fees are too high or the investment options don't match your needs, you may want to explore other strategies to make the most of your retirement savings. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at the Annuity Expert or call us to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.